meteorologist John Adams for a look at our forecast. Now, John, it's been pretty chilly outside. I mean, I had to bring out the big coat.
Wait till next weekend.
Oh, even
It's going to get colder.
Biggest question, though.
What's that?
Any chance of snow?
Not here, no.
Darn, I got jealous of Arkansas yesterday.
I'm sorry?
I got jealous of Arkansas yesterday.
Oh, they had snow yesterday, yes.
Yeah,
yes,
and it was
indeed.
beautiful looking.
Well, as long as you can look at it and not have to be in it, that's
That is the truth. Very true.
Yes, especially around here. Here's our low temperatures that we saw today. Normally, we're about 37, and I would say that on average, we were pretty close to that. We saw mid-30s in Deep East Texas and some low 40s as you moved up across Interstate 20. So all in all, pretty close to where we expect to be. High temperatures, 57 to 59 is average. We were a little below that today. We did get into the mid-50s in Deep East Texas, but only saw upper 40s as you move northward there along the Interstate 30 corridor. Right now, we are cooling down. We'll see temperatures getting down close to that freezing mark in the morning, as you can see there, and with a chance of some patchy fog around the area. Some of that could be freezing fog, so keep that in mind if you're going to be traveling overnight. And just if you run into some patches of fog, know that temperatures are cold enough that some of that could be freezing on surfaces. Sunday afternoon, though, will warm up into the upper 50s, so things looking good there. And forecast lows for Monday morning are in the 40s, so it'll be cold again, but not as cold as what we expect in the morning. And then Monday afternoon, our forecast high temperatures will see some 60s, mid-60s for Deep East Texas to the upper 50s to the north there. But the main thing is these winds are going to be picking up out of the south, and we'll have some pretty strong gusts. We did have a patch of some rain that, when it got into East Texas, dissipated pretty quickly. Other than that, nothing much except for the wee hours of the morning this morning. Futurecast shows that as we go through the night, we'll be mostly clear. 7 o'clock in the morning, we are again close to the freezing mark, and in the afternoon, we get up to near 60 degrees. Monday morning at midnight, we'll see our temperatures in the 40s and begin to pick up a little more cloud cover as the first of a series of storms, Pacific storms, come in from the west. That'll start to bring rain into East Texas around sunrise, possibly some thunderstorms as well throughout the day. And then that rain should be ending before midnight, and it would go into Tuesday morning. We'll see our temperatures in the 30s. We clear out a bit, and Tuesday afternoon it's going to be pretty chilly, as we'll see our high temperatures getting up only into the 40s for the day. Tuesday at 10 o'clock, we'll see temperatures in the 30s there at night, and then Wednesday morning we are into the 30s once again, but should have some sunshine, so a pretty good day coming up for us on Wednesday. Enjoy it, because we do have some more rain coming later in the week. Tonight, 33 the overnight low, patchy freezing fog and freezing fog. I knew I was going to say frog in there one of these days. Patchy freezing fog and frost after midnight. Winds becoming westerly 5 to 10 miles per hour. Sunday we'll have sunshine, high about 58, southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's your next 7 days. We'll have a 100% chance of rain and thunderstorms and 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts on Monday, 45-mile-per-hour wind gusts on Tuesday, but the rain will be moving on to the east by then. We'll also still have gusts to 30 miles per hour on Wednesday, so pretty windy as we move through the first part of the week. Another chance of rain before the weekend gets here, and next week, our coldest temperatures so far this winter season are expected to settle across the area. Deep East Texas, you'll have rain and thunderstorms on Monday, some windy conditions too through the first half of the week, more rain and thunderstorms later in the week, and a pretty chilly weekend to follow. Fox51.com is our website. You can check that forecast there anytime.
Thank you, John.